In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can see completed tasks in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, go to the project that you wish to see the completed tasks on. Now, as you can see, I have this sample project open and I have three tasks which is currently four to do. But I actually have two tasks which are already completed. So how can I see them? The first thing that you need to check is your filter. Currently, my filter is on and it only shows my for to do or not started tasks. However, if I undo this and click the done task instead, what it'll do is to show my completed tasks right here. Or we can simply clear all the filters for you to see all the completed tasks and to-do tasks and other more. As easy as that. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.